Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Assistive Touch and building the shortcut that will act as your macro. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, Touch, then toggle Assistive Touch on. Once done, switch to Shortcuts and create a new shortcut with the exact sequence of taps, delays, and actions you need. Make sure to test each step inside Shortcuts. Name it precisely because Assistive Touch will call that name. This avoids mismatches. Now set up any required permissions, then proceed to link it in the next step. Once your shortcut is ready, go back to Assistive Touch and add it as a custom action. Choose Customize Top-Level Menu or assign a custom action for single tap, double tap, or long press. Then pick Accessibility Shortcuts and select the exact shortcut by name. This is the only way Assistive Touch will trigger your macro reliably. Make sure to test the action from the Assistive Touch menu, observe timing on UI elements, and return to Shortcuts to adjust delays or taps if something misaligns. Finish by validating the macro end-to-end, invoke Assistive Touch, select your custom action, and watch it run. If elements fail to respond, increase wait times in your shortcut or replace unreliable actions with precise screen coordinate taps. This fixes timing and focus issues. If the action disappears or misfires, restart the device, re-enable Assistive Touch, and confirm shortcut permissions. One key tip: when things go wrong, add incremental waits. Small pauses often solve race conditions between the UI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.